On the daily chart of Kaspa, a cup and handle pattern is finishing forming. This is a trend continuation pattern with a potential upside breakout. That is, we may see another update of the highs very soon. Influencers will again start shouting that the price is overheated, and Kaspa will continue its growth, enriching its holders. What values can the coin grow to in October? If we take into account tech analysis, this month we can see a growth of 50% to 7.5 cents. This is the case of a small altcoin season on the market and Bitcoin growth, which is slowly happening now. Let's take a look at the chart of Kaspa against Bitcoin. Here, a bull flag pattern has formed on the daily chart, which also signals a continuation of the trend. In this case, Kaspa will overtake Bitcoin in terms of growth dynamics. Suppose if Bitcoin grows by 10%, then Kaspa will grow by 20%. So this is a very positive chart indicating the future strength of the coin against Bitcoin. Overall, Kaspa looks like a very promising asset with incredible potential. Of course, nothing is guaranteed in crypto.
Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner coming back at you with another Kaspa video. This is the second video today, and we're going over price, or we're going to just go through the prices. I do have a video from Kaspa John, and he's going over why he thinks Kaspa will get to 6 cents. But let's do the numbers real quick and then we'll go into that video. Well, let me do the dashboard and CoinGecko, and then we'll do the video. We'll finish up. So for today, hash rate is 33.73 petahash. Percent mined is 72.16%. Reduction is in the next 3 days down to 165. TPS is TPS is 2.0, BPS is 1. TPS is transactions per second, and BPS is blocks per second. The latest price is 0.050. 24-hour trading volume is 11.8 million. Market cap ranking is 206. I think it was 208 or 207. So it did go up slightly. Market cap is over $1 billion. So let's look at the addresses. We haven't looked at the top addresses in a while. While that's loading, Kaspa is at 0.049. Is this right? Let's refresh that for a second. Oh, wow. So for the top addresses, we're at 232,000. Top 10 addresses is 14.9%. Top 100 addresses, 33.2%. And top 1,000 addresses is 59.8%. There's a note here. Due to recent dust attacks, we temporarily removed the shrimp category as it's no longer meaningful. So crabs went up 0.04 in the last 24 hours. Octopus is 1% up. Fish is 2.8%. Dolphins is up 7.1%. Sharks are up 8.4%. And whales are up 9%, which is pretty interesting. So we'll check I thought there were, addresses. So it's still got KuCoin, GetIO, and Mexi, the two unknowns, which might be an exchange, and BitGet. So just keep an eye on those to see if they do become an exchange at some point. And Live Coin Watch is saying 0.0496. Market cap's $1 billion. Last 24 hours is 0.08. Last 24 hours were down 1.57. Last 7 days were up 6.91. Last 30 days were up 42.7. Last 90 days, 126.9%. Last year is 1,917%. Circulating supply is 20.9 billion. Total supply is 20.9 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. Market cap is 1 billion. 24-hour high is 0.0493. Sorry, 24-hour low is 0.0493. High is 0.051. It's a change of 3.2%. Then we're going back to CoinGecko. Remember, CoinGecko, we're here with you guys. So if you guys are looking for a YouTuber to sponsor, I'm here waiting on you guys. Just whenever you're ready. Shoot me an email or something. Rank is 44. 0.050. We're down 0.6%. Bitcoin's down 5%. Market cap is over $1 billion. Circle supply is 20.9 billion. Total supply is 20.9. Max supply is 28.7 billion. Fully diluted valuation is 1.4 billion. So this number is still rising. So we're keeping an eye on that. 24-hour trading volume is 13.4 million. And the main reason I like CoinGecko because we can get the 24-hour low 0.0495. 24-hour high is 0.051. 7-day low is 0.0456. 7-day high is 0.0516. Rank is 44. Keep an eye on that ranking. And market cap's over $1 billion. All-time high is 0.0538. So we're down 6.97%. And that was 13 days ago. All-time low is 0.00017, and we're up 29,000% from that. Then we're live coin watch says we're up 1.99% to 0.050. Market cap is over $1 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 12.9 million, down 18.68%. Circulating supply is 20.9 billion. Total supply is 20.9 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. And fully diluted market cap is 1.4 billion. And they're still talking about the Kaspa wallets. So no news there. And we'll look at the charts. So here's the 6-day, 4-hour chart. And we did cross earlier. And now the volume's decreasing and we're still running. So we'll look at the day chart. Looks like we did go up. And we went down. And now we are building some momentum here at 0.050. If we can cross over this 0.053, which is the all-time high, I think, we might take off. So it's sitting in a pretty good position. So let's check the RSI real quick. There we go. Okay. So I was looking at the RSI. Looks like we were down. This is the 4-hour chart. So we were over 70 Sunday. Then we kind of came back down. So now we're at 55. So we can get back up to the 60, 70 range. And let's look at the day chart. So yeah, I think we were at 60 Sunday, kind of down, and looks like we're going back up. We're at 59.55 and 57. So you can see here, we went up and came down. Now we're building again. So I suspect this is just more consolidation. But let's go back to this video from Crypto John.
Just look at the market cap. It's 1 billion, 28.7 billion coin cap. They got 73% in circulation that keeps going up, which means reduce inflation. It's holding strong and going up while the supply is getting put into circulation. That's a sign of strength. Normally, when a crypto is diluting its market cap, it's putting the total supply not yet in circulation, in circulation. Usually in a bear market or accumulation market like we're in right now, the price tanks. We see that with HBAR, right? But Kaspa is not only consolidating, it's actually going up while this emission schedule is taking place. Now, keep in mind, it's a predetermined emission schedule. It's going to keep happening until 100% of Kaspa is mined and put in circulation. But the fact that Kaspa is now holding this strength signals to me that another exchange is about to list it. And the last time I covered Kaspa, when I saw this kind of price action taking place, I said that exact same thing, and another exchange listed it like 2 days later. So don't be surprised if sooner than later a tier one exchange lists it, and you're going to see Kaspa right up to 6 cents. So this is the thing, right? As an investor, you don't want to try to time the market. It will humble you and wreck you. You want to zoom out. Before you even look at Kaspa, let's just say you don't even have it yet, or maybe you're saying it's not worth DCing into because it's too expensive now. If you zoom out and think in 2025, how would you feel about Kaspa today at 5 cents if in 2025, which is less than 2 years, it's at $1, $2, $3, $4, $5? All possible numbers to hit, right? Kaspa is not only in the top 100, it's in the top 50, the top 40. Kaspa literally is going down the list. When I said way back that Kaspa is going to be a top 10 crypto someday, I can't even tell you how many people laughed at that. And now it's more than halfway there. It's getting close to this 6 cent mark. And the ones that are saying buying at 5 cents is stupid now, why would you buy at the all-time high? They said the same thing when Kaspa broke its all-time high at 4 cents and 3 cents. Look at Kaspa now. It's having a bull run and a bear run. I'm seeing more YouTubers with the titles saying they're wrong about Kaspa. More people are starting to realize the hidden potential of Kaspa. I told you guys in a previous video, it is my strongest, most bullish, most convicted crypto I have in my portfolio. In all asset classes, stock market, precious metals, Kaspa to me, I look at it as if I'm buying Bitcoin again. Not because it's Bitcoin with utility, because I missed Bitcoin when it was $1, $10, $100, $1,000. And I'm looking at Kaspa as like the gift, the second gift to help us make life-changing money. Look no further past Jonathan Sampolinsky, the GHOSTDAG Tech, the fair launch, which a lot of investors are confusing proof of stake cryptos with the charts with what's going to happen with Kaspa. That will be their biggest downfall. And by the time they realize those big dips that they expect to come are never going to come, they're going to jump in when Kaspa's 6 cents, 7 cents, 10 cents. I guarantee it. That's a big mistake that I'm seeing right now. Aside
Okay, guys, so that's Crypto John going over his 6 cent expectation. And I do agree with him. A lot of people are going to miss out because they're waiting for this big dip to happen that's not going to happen. So this is not financial advice. This is just me telling you guys in the community about Kaspa. And as I said in a previous video, I'm trying to get more engagement. I want you guys to uh, start following the Twitter page. And I'm working on the Discord. I don't know what's going on. I can't get logged in, so I might have to set up a new one. But I want to start flowing information and sharing and getting a lot of information from you guys. I know there's some smart people out in the community because of the comments, but I want to grow the community. I want to get your feedback, get what you think. And other information and anything that's helpful or useful to the Kaspa community. Because as we're saying, the community is going to grow, right? It's only a matter of time before Kaspa hits his tier one listing and takes off. Again, it's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. The word's spreading, guys. So help me get the word out and let's get organized so we can start getting more concise and clear information and make the community a lot bigger. But this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. And remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. And don't forget to join the Discord channel. We need your help there. And let's get back to the money, guys.